Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 23rd of October 2014 market review. The trade for today is called MTN. The code is MTN itself, and the last traded price was 244 Rand and 28 cents. The action is to buy long. Entry level was 246 Rand 50, and that's on the dotted blue line here. The target to be reached is approximately 257 Rand and 8 cents. Stop loss to be used on this trade is on the red line, is 241 Rand and 21 cents. Now, please take note, this company also brought out their earnings results today. Looking at the current open trades, FirstRand, CFR and Mondi. A company that was closed yesterday on the watch list is called African Rainbow Mineral, and they were closed on the 22nd of October. Looking at the top 40 index, the blue line is the top 40 shares on the JSE. Started to move up, low, higher, and they're currently trading above the 5-day moving average and the 20-day moving average as well. Now, please take note, the future seems to be opening lower this morning, as well as the European markets could open lower as well this morning, about 37 points high. But the US futures are currently showing a stronger opening for late afternoon, so we need to track this market very closely today. Looking at the Dow Jones Industrials, in actual fact, on Wednesday evening they closed 153 points lower, and they've closed on a level of 16,461 points. Now that is basically, if I'm going to draw this line up here, it's approximately just under this level here. It's on this level here. So as you can see, high, low, break up, then a breakdown as well, but it seems that they can actually start moving up again. Look at this level of 16,546. If it's been broken, new movements could happen. Looking at the following, here's the J200. That's the top 40 index. I'm going to zoom in here, and I'm going to call up the Bollinger Bands. Tested this middle green line of the Bollinger Band, went higher, coming down at 43,035 points. Currently showing a bit of a negative opening in early trade this morning, but we need to track direction very closely. And as you can see, the budget meeting, mini budget meeting, had a great impact on our markets yesterday. Especially when they heard in 2015 there's a possibility of taxes that needs to be hiked to sustain the economy basically. Looking at some other shares, Shoprite. Now Shoprite did go up to this level as we spoke yesterday, and it tested at a high after it broke the Bollinger Band upwards, trading at 141.50. The Rand and dollar is currently trading on the 11 Rand levels. So we need to see what direction that will help the markets with. Looking at Woolies, also tested this high as expected, and that level was 71 Rand 34, currently trading at 71 Rand 80, and we need to see if this is going to be sustainable or just another sideways market. So this is a sideways market that you can see here between this Fibonacci's, and there's your high. So this is what you call a sideways market. We need to see if it's going to bounce and bounce back or start breaking this upwards. Looking at Mr. Price, after the previous day's high movement upwards, there's a bit of a downward, of a bit of a small smell off, trading at 208 Rand 75, and reversal head and shoulder pattern was completed. Leg, shoulder, head, shoulder, leg, testing that high, coming back. Now we need to see where direction will be, but the share is currently trading above the middle Bollinger Band and the top Bollinger Band at this moment. Looking at your banking shares, also tested this highs here, started to come back, didn't break to 160 as expected, trading at 158.75. So also in a bit of a sideways pattern at this moment here. Standard Bank doing precisely the same. On the highs here, struggling to break this 150, currently trading at 129.10. But still in a downward channel here, but in the downward channel started to form a sideways channel. Looking at MTN, reports came out early this morning. Business increased with 2%. Bit of struggling up in Africa with business. And as you can see, testing this highs here, trading at 244.28. Let's see how the markets react on this fundamentals that came in early trade. If the markets did like the earnings results on Q3 that came out. Looking at Vodacom, also broke the green line on the Bollinger Band, testing currently these highs of 127.98, currently trading at 128.29. Big question is, will this now be the reversal going back to 131? But this is a very, very small movement to go to this highs here. Imperial. Now Imperial is a concern to me at this moment. Low, high, low. Broke the downward channel upwards, went to the highs. There's a low, there's a high, and this momentum is getting smaller. Broke the low. So the big question here is, will this now be start off the top and start breaking this green? If it breaks this green here at 174, and it's currently trading at 175, it could go back underneath to the 170 level. So it's a very conservative market. Markets will concentrate on China data that came out. It was not actually great. The Asian markets went a bit down, negative due to that data. The US job figures are due at 2:30 this afternoon. The market's going to track this very, very closely. But in the next few weeks, the Federal Reserve Bank meetings will be tracked on the decision on interest rates. And Amazon and Microsoft will pronounce earnings results after the Americans closed at 10 o'clock today. So those factors could also influence the market. So it's quite a choppy market, one day up, one day down in huge movements. Well, enjoy your trading.